Introducing EarthWorks Visual Studio, our all-in-one solution for visualization and design. Whether you do it yourself or have it professionally done, what will your client's dream project look like when the job is complete? Samples and inspirational photos alone don't always give your clients the confidence they need to make a design decision. This can cause a lot of stress and uncertainty for your clients and can lead them to missing out on that dream coming to life. But it doesn't have to. EarthWorks Visual Studio makes the design process easy and fun by showing what your client's vision could look like when the project is complete. So how does it work? First, set up your personal account within Visual Studio. From there, upload a photo or set plans of your client's project. Then either prepare the areas they want to design and help them start visualizing their dreams, or let our expert design services team prepare the image for you so you can focus on designing. With EarthWorks Visual Studio, clients can experiment with products, colors, and compare designs, share designs with their family, friends, and contractors, see a vision of what their project could look like when it's complete. Whatever the project, our platform eliminates the guesswork and makes design decisions easy. Let us help you get your clients one step closer to happily turning their vision into a reality, while also garnering customer loyalty, and do it all with a few simple clicks. Build something epic with the EarthWorks Visual Studio.